In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an export preset in DaVinci Resolve. If you regularly export videos with the same settings, creating an export preset can save you a lot of time and help keep your workflow consistent. Instead of manually adjusting your render settings every single time, you can save your preferred setup once and reuse it whenever you need it. This is especially useful if you're exporting for the same platform, client, or project type over and over again. To get started, go to the Deliver page in DaVinci Resolve. This is the section where all of your export and render settings are managed. Once you're there, look over to the Render Settings panel. This is where you normally choose your format, codec, resolution, and other export options before rendering your video. At the top right of that Render Settings panel, you'll see a three-dot icon. Click on that icon to open the Additional Options menu. This menu includes a few extra actions related to your render settings, and the one you want here is the option to save your current setup as a new preset. Click Save as New Preset. DaVinci Resolve will then prompt you to create a name for your preset. Choose a name that clearly describes what the preset is for, so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might name it based on the type of export you use most often. Keeping the name simple and descriptive will make your workflow smoother, especially if you end up creating multiple presets for different needs. After naming the preset, save it. Once that's done, the preset will be available for you to use again in the future, which means you won't have to rebuild the same export settings from scratch each time. You can also save an icon for it, which helps make the preset easier to spot visually inside the interface. This can be a nice touch if you like keeping your workspace organized and efficient. That's all it takes to create an export preset in DaVinci Resolve. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference when you're working on multiple videos and want a faster, more reliable export process. Once you start using presets, you'll likely find that exporting becomes much more streamlined and less repetitive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.